Let's talk about the latest launched Realme smartphone P3 5G with space design. Now let's talk about the specifications of this smartphone. Firstly, talk about the display of this smartphone. This phone features with AMOLED display, with 6.67 inches Full HD plus punch hole display. Resolution of 1080 by 2400 pixels, approximately 92.65% screen-to-body ratio, 20:9 aspect ratio. Approximately 395 ppi pixel density, 2000 nits peak brightness, and with 120 Hz refresh rate. And now talk about the camera of this smartphone. The smartphone with dual camera setup on the rear. That includes 50 megapixel 27mm wide-angle camera with aperture 1.8, along with 2 megapixel depth camera with aperture 2.4. For selfies it has 16 megapixel 23mm centered punch hole wide-angle front camera with aperture 2.4, video recording maximum 4K at 30 fps on rear camera, and 1080p at 30 fps on front camera. For the software, the handset turns on Android 15 operating system, based on exclusive optimized version of Realme UI 6.0 screen on top the device. Under the hood, the phone CPU is octa-core 2.3 GHz single-core Cortex-A720S plus 2.2 GHz tri-core Cortex-A720S plus 1.8 GHz quad-core Cortex-A520S, powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon 6 Gen 4 4nm chipset, paired with Adreno 810 GPU. In terms of storage, the smartphone plugs with 6 GB. 8 GB of LPDDR4X RAM, with 6 GB, 8 GB, 10 GB of extended RAM, and 128 GB, 256 GB of UFS 3.1 on board. Storage, no microSD card slot. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 163.15 by 75.65 by 7.97 millimeters, and it weighs around 194 grams, and the color options, Nebula Pink, Comet Gray, Space Silver colors to see in this smartphone, and the device comes backed by a massive 6000 mAh battery, with 45-watt fast charging support. Additionally, the smartphone also features under-display fingerprint sensor for biometric authentication, with face unlock. The connectivity option on the phone includes dual SIM 5G, dual band Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.2, GPS, Type-C headphone jack, with dual stereo speakers support, USB Type-C charging port, IP68, IP69 dust, tight and water resistant, and with NFC support. So now let's have a look at the pricing details of the smartphone. The Realme P3 5G has been priced for 6 GB plus 128 GB storage variant at 16,999 Indian rupees, while 8 GB plus 128 GB storage variant at 17,999 Indian rupees, while the 8 GB plus 256 GB storage variant at 19,999 Indian rupees. Conclusion: so what do you guys think of this Realme P3 5G smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below and subscribe for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.